Hey everyone, today I want to share an important technical update for Subgen.in which might be helpful in your services as well if you deal with file uploads from your clients. So earlier what used to happen is these file uploads would directly go through our application server before they are being processed and persisted in some secondary storage. When multiple people are performing the same operation, this used to create a lot of memory spike because they are basically being buffered before they are saved into the disk or cloud. So how we are solving this is in the new architecture we are directly leveraging cloud storage service, maybe S3 or Cloudflare. So how it happens is whenever client comes to your website and tries to upload something, you don't directly make an upload request to your application server. You request your application server to give you a resource ID or maybe a pre-signed URL, which your browser can use to upload those files to a server wherever you want those files to be stored. So here all the heavy lifting of file storage process, right, this has been delegated to some other service. So in our case it's, let's say, Amazon S3 or Cloudflare. So whenever you're coming to the application server directly make a request to your cloud storage to give a pre-signed URL which your browser can use to upload files. So once your browser has a pre-signed URL, this will make a upload request to Amazon S3 or maybe Cloudflare to upload those files. Once those upload are done, your browser or your client will let your application server know that your upload has been completed. Now you can do the post-processing work. Now you can use the same method when you are maybe trying to return some files or videos to your users. You can generate some pre-signed URLs for those particular resources, give those to your client, and then clients can directly download that particular file from cloud. So if I show this in action, right, some Subgen, I think I'll select one of the file. If you see here, right, there is a pre-signed URL being called, and this particular returned pre-signed URL which browser used. So if you see here, right, which browser used to upload that to, let's say, S3 or Cloudflare. In our case it's Cloudflare. So if you see here, this particular request has been made to Cloudflare, not Subgen. And once that upload has been done, right, you basically letting the server know that the uploads has been completed, and now you can go ahead with your post-processing work. So the processing has been done. If I download the video, this should also return something which is from Cloudflare. So if you see here, it was from Cloudflare. If I show this, right, this is from Cloudflare, and we are directly using it. Now you can download it and do whatever you want to do with this. And here nowhere our application is being used, so no heavy lifting of files and are done with our servers. Thank you.